So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. So the next one, guys, this is how to avoid paying taxes as an Uber and a Lyft driver. This is literally on TurboTax website. So this is legit.
What the heck?
Yeah, so as an Uber driver, this is how you pay less taxes, guys.
They have a whole article about this?
Yep. And,
Oh,
and it was
nice.
reviewed. Why can't I talk? Reviewed by a TurboTax CPA. So a CPA is a certified public accountant. So this is actually written by an expert, reviewed by an accountant. So you want to read this?
Yeah, as an Uber driver partner, you are an independent contractor, not an Uber employee. The difference is huge, especially at tax time. Follow these tips to report your income accurately and minimize your taxes.
This guy's a lot of nice hair. He has lots of hair.
Yeah,
I'm jealous. I cannot grow a beard.
I can. I have to shave like twice a day. It's pretty bad. My beard. I don't have a mustache anymore, though.
What do you mean anymore?
I don't know.
Okay. You want to read this one?
Yeah, working for yourself. If you're one of the thousands of people who started driving with Uber this year, it might be the first time you've been your own boss, setting your own hours and making countless decisions to improve the performance of your business. It also might be the first time you've had to report self-employment income on your tax returns. Follow these tips to report your Uber driver income accurately and minimize your taxes. So yeah, this time as an Uber driver, you fill out the 1099 W-2 form.
So basically Uber's going to send you a 1099 at the end of the year. And when you do that, again, by the way, guys, please do not take this as tax advice or financial advice. I am not a certified public accountant. Please consult a legal tax advisor when you do your taxes. This is for pure entertainment purposes only. But when you drive for Uber, or let's put this in my perspective. Let's say I'm an Uber driver and I make $100,000 in a year. Awesome, right? That's a good chunk of change.
Yeah.
But, the IRS has allowed me to take tax deductions for my miles that I put on my car because I am a 1099 independent contractor, small business owner, self-employed. So every mile that I put on my car while driving for Uber is technically a tax write-off, a business expense tax write-off, because I had to drive that mile in order to make money. So the IRS in the second half of 2022 raised to 62.5 cents per mile, which is really big for Uber drivers because that's more money. It used to only be 58.5. Now it's 62.5 because of inflation. Which just goes to show even the IRS is saying it's more expensive to drive a car. Uber should raise the rates because literally the IRS, the government's saying like it's so expensive now.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure, I want to make sure when I'm filling out my taxes that I'm making sure I'm writing down how many miles I'm using. And I want to make sure I'm using an app like Solo to track all my miles automatically. Link below. Get $10 when you sign up with our link.
Yeah, use the link, guys.
No, like for real though, because Work Solo will literally, like this app is a business app for drivers. This is like, they track your expenses, they optimize your income, and let's go to this. Where's the mileage tracking? Yeah, mileage and taxes automatically in one dashboard. So you actually get, like, they track all your miles. So when you do your taxes, it literally helps you, like, save so much money.
Yeah.
Yeah, manage your income. Track your expenses. This is good. Solo will automatically track your work-related mileage when the app is on and sync it to your work activities. So you actually sync up your Uber account, Lyft account, DoorDash account, whatever. Plus, you can go the extra mile by tracking other deductible expenses like cleaning supplies, cell phone bills, and even your solo subscription. I think for $3.99 you can get all this.
Per month.
Yeah, for $3.99 a month, you get all of this stuff. For $7.99, you get the daily guarantee pay. But for $3.99 a month, you get automated mileage tracking, which could potentially save you thousands of dollars in taxes. So for $3.99 a month, it's, in my opinion, you're making your money back way, like, yeah.
Yeah, and it's like, you know, it's like the same as paying for a Netflix account or something. It's like, it's not that much money.
Like, guys, when you're doing your taxes, like, I honestly would recommend talking with a CPA, talking with an accountant. And because if you could, gosh, I don't want to give tax advice, but, like, if I can track all my miles for write-offs, I could potentially owe, like, hardly any money in taxes. But making the mistake of not putting in your correct mileage, I could end up with a tax bill of $20,000, $30,000. Like, this is how it's scary. It's honestly scary that they don't teach you this in school. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
And again, big shout out to Retirable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retirable. So use my link below to sign up for Retirable. God bless. Talk to you soon.